Take two. Oh. Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Tanaka. If you are new, if you are already a subscriber, thank you so much for following me on this journey. Today we have a Valentine's. Get ready with me. I'll be showing you how I achieve these curls. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. To start off with our face, we're going to go on with the McGrath Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Primer. A hard time finding a primer because my skin is oily and it's a hit and miss sometimes, and the best thing I've found aside from this one is the Estee Lauder primer, and I'll put the link in my description box. So yeah, we're gonna go with the eyebrows. I've been liking filling in my eyebrows with eyeshadow, and I'm gonna show you how I do that. So you just want to brush your eyebrows up. First question was my first kiss. Oh my gosh. So I'm filling in my eyebrows with this dark brown eye. I was a late bloomer compared to my friends. Like, all of my friends started dating like when we were like 14, 15, 16. And I cracked the code of the game super early. And thanks to my cousins, because I have like loads of older cousins, and a lot was going on in secondary school, like in terms of people also starting to have sex pretty early. And yeah, I have so many horrible experiences of friends who have encountered bad relationships or situationships with guys. I guess everyone was too young to know what a relationship and what is sex and consent and all of those other things. Anyway, back to my first kiss now. So along with other schools across the world, in the UK we have this thing called a residential weekend, and this is where like your school sends you off, just like have a weekend filled of activities. Like you go on, I don't know if you guys have been to like Go Ape, but it's similar to that, and it's a weekend to just like have fun really. And this one was like in year 9, so we had just about started our GCSEs. So anyway, we go to this weekend, and you know, kids being kids, so yeah, the girls and boys had a separate dormitory, and at this time I had my eyes on someone. I'm not gonna say who because it's a bit too late for that to be saying, oh my god, I had a crush on you. But anyway, I had my eyes on someone, and yeah, my friends knew, etc., and he was kind of, you know, reciprocating the energy. Our last activity of the day, and the boys then went around and was like, oh my gosh, like we're gonna have like a spin the bottle game. Finally gonna kiss my man. And yeah, I think you guys should come along. And I'm thinking, shit, like this is the perfect time. Like 8 girls and 8 boys. So the bottle's in the middle, spinning and spinning. I'm thinking, this is finally my opportunity. I'm gonna have my first kiss, and this is the guy that I fancy. Oh my god, the bottle landed on this guy who every girl was dreading, and he was white, his lips were thin. Like, oh, this is cute, but this is sad because I wanted to kiss you over there. I was like, and I was like, to go underneath. I like to start from here because I feel like it gives me much more of a natural look. Create the base for our look. We're going to use this Born This Way concealer, and you just want to gently dab it on your eyes. And today we're going to be going in with a simple eye look, so nothing complicated. I don't like complicated because I can't do complicated. So we're going to be going in with this Morphe 433 brush with a brown in our crease. The next question is, name 3 red flags for you in a relationship. Whoa, 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 whoa. I am very sure about the woman that I am. I'm certain about who Tanaka is and becoming. So for someone to come into my space and into my life and be insecure about me, about them, it just creates confusion. So a man with great insecurities is my worst nightmare because they start projecting that on me. You achieving certain things and, you know, they just want to be a Debbie Downer. I have no business dating an insecure man. We're using this MDMFLOW. This is a black owned brand in the UK. If you love the whole glossy look, I know some people use Vaseline, but this is the brand to be going for if you want to achieve like lovely glossy look without using Vaseline. Red flag. has to be a stingy person. Someone who is given to themselves and within their community. Like, I feel like our purpose on earth is just not for ourselves. Like, we can't be self-consumed by just, you know, us attaining goals within our personal life. You have to help those around you. And I feel like we all have that responsibility to help within our community. So a self-centered man is a dangerous man. And so stinginess extends to self. Like, a man who is not gracious enough to himself. How you treat yourself is very important. So even, like, you know, giving yourself a day where you pamper yourself, gifting yourself, just extending so much love and self-love to yourself. Once you can start to do that, you can do that to other people. So yeah, a stingy man is a no. Putting on my eyelashes, and I'm loving these Kiss lashes from Boots, and they are super affordable and nice and fluffy, and I have small eyes, so I like to stay away from lashes that make my eyes look crazy. Third red flag has to be a man who is misogynistic. Like, misogyny presents itself in so many ways in a relationship, and a lot of men prescribe to that subconsciously, realize how much they hate women and how much they have internalized that hate towards women. And it's that a lot of women are blind to that, even our mothers, our aunties. Yeah, and a few men do present themselves you know, to women and being grandiose, self-centered, controlling. For men who don't prescribe to that is honestly shrinking, and it's very, very scary and alarming. Sisters, run away. So next I'll be going in with my concealer, and I'm using this Born This Way concealer in Mocha. I'll be using my sponge to blend this. I'm just going to spray it just to make it nice and damp. Just the trick to making sure that your eyes don't crease is to look up when you're blending in your concealer. The crease won't happen as much. I am using my Sacha Buttercup to set where I used my concealer to highlight. Again, looking up. So your next question was, worst thing you did after a breakup. Right, so I had kind of given him an ultimatum because of some things that was happening. I'm not going to get into too much detail. Anyway, I go to work, he gives me a call, and I'm thinking, okay, like, babe's giving me a call and he's just checking up on me. Like, oh yeah, I've had some thought about, and it makes sense that, you know, we just need to end things. Like, we shouldn't continue on with this relationship. I was like, at work, I was thinking, shit. Of course, I'm at work, I'm not gonna cry. So me being me, I'm not trying to come off weak on the phone and try and show him that, oh my God, I'm heartbroken. I was like, oh, I agree. Then I locked off the phone, went into the bathroom, and I started crying. Heartbreak combined by work stress. I just got home one day and I literally just shaved my hair off, and I was like, yeah, this is it. This is it. Like, it's all making sense. Like, something liberating about cutting off your hair and lifted a weight off of my shoulders. It felt like I was starting and embarking on a new journey, and that was my first heartbreak, and I lost so much weight. Like, it had, like, aunties love to talk like that. Ah, my dear, I was always a weight manager. My eyes today were done by Black Owned. This is also by Black Owned, and this is KEMBEAUTY, and this is a blush in Dakar. I love it. It's like a burgundy. I'm gonna show you the color. For our lips, I'm gonna go in with this Kiko brown lip liner. It's gentle on my lips. I'm gonna show you. I hate when you're literally fighting with the lip liner, but it's Echo Beauty, and this is another Black owned business. I bet you're thinking, who still uses matte lipsticks in 2021? But honey, matte lipsticks are honestly the go-to. So it is. It's in the shade Kundi. So now I'm gonna go in with another Black owned beauty brand, and I'll be using this Pat McGrath in shade Dare to Bear. Follow me on Instagram, you know that I've been loving this Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. It's honestly amazing. It's the best setting spray I've used. I've tried this Morphe one and it's not as great. Even when you put your mask on, your makeup does not transfer onto the mask. Ooh. So this hair was kindly sent to me by RB Hair, and I absolutely love their packaging. It comes in this little satin bag, and they sent me 3 bundles and a 5x5 closure, and I think 5x5 closures are the best. I didn't pluck it that well, but you can imagine if it's nicely plucked, it's good hair. Look how I run my hands through this and there's no shedding. Picks up color very well. I bleached it and then I went on with a toner. Today we're going to be using the Dyson Airwrap, and this is going to be my first time actually trying to experiment and get curls with it, so we are going to explore this together. So this tool comes in different sizes and directions. Look at that. Oh, these. This is beautiful. Okay, so this is one side done and this is the other side straight. And to hold these curls, we're going with my Got To Be spray. The way it just gravitates towards the hair. This is like magic. I love one. See the way it just picks up the hair. Now I'm going to change into my Valentine's outfit. Back. Oh, a sequence, it's not too much, and I don't have a big cleavage, but I feel like it holds the girls perfectly, and it has this. What I love especially about this dress is the ruche, especially to my girls who are having a fupa in lockdown. This will conceal your stomach perfectly. One of the last questions I'm going to answer is the weirdest thing a guy has done for you. Well, we're going to speed it up to this lockdown. And during this lockdown, some guy slid into my DMs on Twitter. He was like, I want to spend money on you. And I was like, I don't even know you, from Adam, and what's your Cash App? And I was like, what's the smartest way I can go about this? So I sent him a link to my Razzle Tazzle accessories line. Yeah, you can purchase some stuff for your mum, for your sisters. I don't know who he's gifting. It could be his baby mom. Who knows? And he spent about £60 on my online store. So I was like, okay, it's a win-win. Spend money on my business, that way I can make more money. So that is enough questions for today, but thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a lovely weekend whatever you're doing. And don't forget to comment, like and subscribe for my clink clink girls.